Aloha, everybody. We want to invite you to the most amazing Keto Adapted Virtual Conference, where Craig and I had the opportunity to interview the top of the top, the best of the best, all of the secrets from Dr. Phinney, Dr. Eric Westman, Dr. Ted Naiman, and all of these other keto experts that have a combined practice of over 175 years. And so if you want to know the secrets of keto and how to do keto properly and all the pitfalls that come back with keto, you're going to want to take this conference. But you know what my favorite part was, Craig?
What's that?
All of the interviews that we did with the testimonies.
Yeah, they're amazing.
They are amazing. Yesterday we had a testimony with Twyla, who lost over 240 pounds. She looks amazing. They're actually going to interview her for, she's on the cover of Women's World magazine, which is really exciting. But you get to learn all of these secrets and tricks of the people that actually were successful, like Tyler, who had a stall for how many months?
18 months.
For 18 months, and how he worked through that stall. So, I mean, you're going to learn stuff. I learned stuff from the experts.
And the great thing about it is it's a 12-week conference. Mm-hmm. So each week, instead of having one of these conferences where you got to watch it that day or you miss out, you get a full week to focus on that speaker. Yep. And then on the weekends, with each speaker, you get a Q&A session where you can ask Dr. Phinney, you can ask Dr. Naiman your questions, and they will answer them. So this is interactive. You get all this great, amazing content for as little as $2.50 a week. So we made this very affordable. And with the VIP options, you even get swag bags. You get goodies. You get stuff shipped to you, books and products. So it's really an awesome combination of a summit and a conference.
And this is how we wanted to do it this way, because for me, I would pick a new goal each week, and because I was really unhealthy when I was a teenager. And for me, it was picking a new goal each week. So I hope, my dream is for you to be inspired that week by the speaker and change something each week. It seems manageable that way.
And I think after 12 weeks, you might have a whole new perspective on yourself and your health.
Maybe you will be the next testimony for next year's conference. But you get lifetime access, so don't forget that. If you do VIP or the standard ticket, lifetime access, which is really awesome. If you want to learn more, we'll have a link below. Otherwise, check out keto-adapted.com. Mahalo.